Hi guys, today we're gonna fix the Jeep again. We will fix, is it a familiar situation to you when these bolts are broken? Here you see, in most Jeeps these bolts are broken usually, and it will cause, the sound while driving off-road. It will be an unbearable sound, and I kind of find out the solution how to do it, and plus to make it more stable and less sound. What I did is I just cut 5 by 8 inch hose tube, heater hose tube, into two half. Okay, just put the screw through it and bolt it back. You can see here how it looks like, and once I fix the second one, I'll continue the video. Just put the bolt in and start to screw. If you want to make it more stable and more durable, you could add here a washer at the back, one here and one here. I'll check how it will perform. See, you can see now there is no sound, and plus it gives some extra room to move around, but without sound, like very stable, instead of buying the whole thing. This one, anyways, it won't be visible inside the cover, but a nice fix. This is how it looks like after installment. After I put back all the covers, easy cheesy.